We're going into... we're going into an abandoned Boy Scout camp. There is rumors where there's people have died and gone missing here, so got sharp objects. I forgot my knife on the kitchen table. We're kind of shitting our pants. We don't die. Why'd you leave my cupboard open?
We should go to those cabins up there after. Those are the sketchy spots.
Warning, private property. Shit, I'm scared.
I know.
Oh, big fry. Dude, I'm scared.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, let's go.
Really?
Yes.
You're beating, are you?
Well, I'm the filmer. You gotta walk. I'll film you.
What the fuck? That's an awful good excuse.
Don't put too high up just in case we need to run.
Okay, I guess. I'm fucking scared, dude. What is that? It's beeping. You hear that?
Oh, let's go.
Like some fucking sacred ritual here.
A ritual.
I'm gonna go wide.
Walsh. No.
What? What is... What?
Coffee?
That smells fresh, dude. Someone's here.
Let's go.
Dude. He's just sitting there with an old 22.
Hello?
Oh, dude.
They'd be up there if anything.
Oh, they'd be in the main shop.
Well, what if we go up to it and I just peek the camera around the corner?
I got beat. You can do that.
No.
Uh-oh, someone's coming. Do you vámonos, amigos?
No. Where are you going? Hello? What would Flair do?
What would Dan do, dude? That's right. I'm just trying to look in the door without going right up to it.
So you leave me. I want to go anyway.
I do too, but it's fucking scary. I think this might do much damage.
This will.
Oh, nice.
Okay, let's go.
You want to leave?
No.
You're the camera guy. Roberta. What? I shouldn't be covered. What? Roberta. Robert?
Okay, let's go.
You gotta respect this place. Dude, there's telephone tethers here. So someone died there. Easily.
Trail cam.
What?
There's a trail cam up there. See?
Really?
See
Well,
it?
no, that's not trail cam.
Oh, I thought. That was trail cam.
What is that? You can't mess with shit. I don't know.
Let's go. And let's at least look inside. Dude, worst case, we just say our motor broke down.
Huh?
Just if they ask why we're here.
Brand new 2019 Lund broke down. Sorry.
You want this if you're going first?
I want something sharp. No, like cut piece of paper sharp.
We'll see you later.
It's open.
No, but push.
No. Hello?
No one's here.
You want no harm. Oh shit, it's hot.
Okay, let's go.
Fucking hell.
Just kick the door down.
Why would I kick the door down?
I'm kidding.
There's this guy listening, like, what are these kids fucking doing?
If anyone's listening, we just want to come explore.
We're kids. Shit. It's kind of dark in there now. Keep the camera in. You can look at the footage.
No, it's fine.
There's a bunch of no trespassing signs in there.
You have a shield, go.
What the fuck?
Go, you have a shield.
Around the corner, see if there's lights.
Oh my god. That's so creepy.
Welcome to the prairie.
Come in.
Holy shit. Hello? Eric?
1990.
Jesus Christ. Scout Look 2022 Parker Oops. What?
Here.
Buff, buff, buff.
Turn that light on.
Garage lights. Shit. Dude, where'd you go? Oh.
Out there.
It's in the water. You're wearing a hole. No running. No bare feet. Tail. Moves. Counter. Your feet. Where you're going. I'm going west of the boat.
Yo. Yo, there's rods.
What? 2003, 2010. This is just a boat. Yeah, we do. This is fucking scary.
Dude, I'm shaking.
Huh?
I'm shaking.
Fucking hell. I heard 22.
Links. There's a card back there. Grab it.
Oh shit, no.
You grab it.
That card has not probably moved since
The dawn of time.
the hell is this?
Oh my god.
Look at, dude, bad luck. Thanks. I feel like we're gonna go out and there's gonna be a guy with 22 gauge shotgun just sitting there like, yeah, I know. This is so scary. What? See if there's any medicine in there.
Keep it.
Ooh, nails. Can you use some of those? Jesus Christ. Yeah, what's that? Don't touch that, that's gonna be bad luck.
How?
Because you touch anything in this fucking place, it's gonna be bad luck. Jesus, this is scary.
This is so scary.
Like all the... We just
19.
went inside the abandoned Boy Scout camp, if you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. The latest date what was the latest date we saw in there?
07.
I thought it was like 1991. I saw 1995.
I saw 07. Maybe that means like something different.
2007.
Yeah.
So that's probably the latest someone's been in there.
But it was made in 89 or 90?
Something like that, yeah. Latest date I saw of people who've been there was 1991. So, yeah, there's still cabins up there. We don't have the balls to go up there, but I kind of want to do it. But yeah, we're leaving. So, yeah,
Yeah.